Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is PJ. As you know that inside this particular video we used to drop daily updates on boom and crash index and step index. So guys, as we can see in today's video, I'm going to explain to you guys what has happened so far on boom 500 on 30-minute time frames. So this is 30-minute time frames on boom 500. We can see we have our two indicators that we are using here. We have our trend here and we have our signal here. So this particular indicator is what you can also do and also help you to improve your skill in trading all synthetic index. So as we can see now that we have our trend moving on a downtrend level from here before it move on a downtrend here, and before it starting give us an uptrend arrow at this particular area. So what we can see now is that we have our trend, our arrow indicates here as an uptrend, and that is why we have our uptrend starting from this particular signal to this particular signal. And we can see that I take this particular trade, I close it at this particular day because I was thinking there's going to be a pullback, and we can see there's a pullback before moving another uptrend before breaking down to this particular level, and it gives us another signal again which we enter again, and that's help us to close our trade at this particular level. We can see that. So I might decided to close my trade at this particular level, or I wait for this particular ending of the beginning of another trend to enter my trade. So I close my entry at this particular area, and we can see where we have another confirmation here, and I enter at a massive at this particular area, and I take my trade on my I close my trade on my first entry. You can see that I take my trade on my first entry because I know that this particular trade is still going on a downtrend. So we can see what happened here because we have already confirmed our arrow here indicator here that we are on a on a downtrend. So that is how it works. So we have another confirmation at this particular area. You can see that we go on a on the uptrend up to this particular moment. So that is how this particular strategy works. Once you confirm your trend of the market, then you go to your signal and begin to take your signal based on what you see on the price tag. And we can see now that we are already having a downtrend at this particular moment, which is respect here. And if we check this very well, we are going to be we are going to be taking it down, and this is supposed to be our closing entry. This is supposed to be our take profit 1 and take profits take profit 1 and take profit 2 at this particular area. Just imagine how much you are going to be making on 30-minute time frames if you follow this particular signal. So to get this particular indicator is very simple. I drop the link on my description of my video. So all what you need to do is to join my Telegram group and get access to me, and you will surely get this particular indicator. So that is how this particular indicator works. So it's a combination of two indicators together, and it does not reprint. This our signal does not reprint. You can see what is happening here. It does not reprint. It does not reprint. Once it appears, it will never disappear. You can see that it will never disappear. It is only this one that reprints sometimes based on the trend of the market, because it follows the trend of the market. So how to use this particular indicator, I have a video course on it. You can also get it, and also you can also get the indicator. All what you need to do is to join my Telegram group, and we are good to go. And also I drop daily signal on my Telegram group if you are also interested in joining the group and catch up the signal. So this is how perfect and how this particular indicator works. And this indicator also works on currency pair. If you want to use it on currency pair, it works on it works on gold, it works on GPP, SYU, and other pair that you can trade with apart from synthetic index. So it works in all boom and crash, boom 1000, crash 1000, and it also works on step index. So this is one of the powerful things that you can use on step index also. So this is how this indicator works. You can see this is a live trade that you are seeing on the chart, and it has been helping me to make a lot of profit using this particular indicator. So guys, help us to like this video and comment, and if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel. Thanks. See you guys in our next video.